I remember scrubbing my kitchen tiles on my hands and knees with a cheap brush until my back screamed, only to see dirty grout lines mocking me the next day. Finding the right tile scrubber is a nightmare. Most lack the torque to actually clean or just push dirty water around. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 tile floor scrubbers I've personally tested, from budget spinners to premium wet/dry vacuums. Which one finally saved my floors and my sanity? Let's find out as we count down to the ultimate winner. 7. Casabella Extendable Power Spin Scrubber. When I first took this unit out of the box, I was immediately drawn to its lightweight profile and the promise of an extendable wand. The idea of standing comfortably while a motorized head does all the heavy lifting sounded like an absolute dream for my aching lower back. The handle extends smoothly, allowing you to reach high shower tiles or the floor without having to bend over, which is a massive point in its favor for basic ergonomic comfort. The kit comes with a couple of different brush heads, and swapping them out is a relatively straightforward process. I started my testing in the guest bathroom, using the standard flat brush on the main floor tiles and the pointed brush for the corners. For light, everyday maintenance, like sweeping away loose dust or gently agitating freshly sprayed cleaner, it performs adequately. It glides across the smooth surface of ceramic tiles with minimal effort on the user's part, making quick work of superficial dirt. However, this is where my experience started to go a bit downhill. The most significant drawback of the Casabella is its motor torque. As soon as I applied any meaningful downward pressure to tackle a stubborn, dried-on stain near the bathtub, the brush head visibly slowed down and began to stall. It lacks the sheer rotational force required to dig deep into porous grout lines or aggressively lift hardened grime, making it feel more like a surface polisher than a heavy-duty floor scrubber. Battery life also left me wanting more. I found myself rushing to finish the master bathroom before the power completely faded out, which led to a rather stressful cleaning session. 6. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber Kit. At first glance, you might mistake this device for an oversized electric toothbrush, and honestly, that is exactly how it operates. The build is exceptionally compact, fitting comfortably into the palm of your hand with a rubberized grip that ensures it won't slip even when your hands are covered in soapy water. It feels robust and well-constructed, which is something I always appreciate from a legacy brand like Rubbermaid. Where this little tool absolutely shines is in the microscopic details. I took this straight to the kitchen to test it on the notoriously difficult grout lines surrounding my stove. Equipped with the specialized grout brush head, it performed exceptionally well at vibrating dirt and grease out of those tight crevices. The oscillating head works vigorously back and forth, saving your wrist from the repetitive strain of manual scrubbing. And it is a fantastic companion for spot cleaning specific, isolated messes. But the major drawback becomes painfully obvious the moment you try to use it as your primary floor cleaner. Because it is so small and requires you to be entirely on your hands and knees, tackling an entire kitchen or bathroom floor is an agonizingly slow and uncomfortable process. Furthermore, it runs on standard AA batteries rather than a rechargeable lithium-ion system. During my testing, the power output dropped significantly as the batteries drained, forcing me to constantly swap in fresh ones to maintain peak scrubbing performance. Ultimately, the Rubbermaid Reveal is an incredible secondary tool to have in your cleaning caddy for detailing, but it fundamentally fails as a standalone solution for large tile floors. 5. Jorking Electric Spin Scrubber. This unit represents a significant step up in both size and capability compared to our previous contenders. One of the most unique, albeit slightly quirky, features I noticed immediately during testing was its voice broadcast system. It actually speaks to you to announce battery levels and operating modes, which initially felt like a gimmick, but quickly became a helpful reminder when I was deep into a cleaning session. The Jorking comes generously equipped with an impressive array of replaceable brush heads, making it highly versatile for different areas of your home. I utilized the large flat brush for my main dining room tiles and the dome brush for the curved edges around the toilet base. The bristles are firm and durable, holding up remarkably well even when I was pressing down firmly to eradicate dried mud tracked in by the dog. It covers a large surface area efficiently, cutting down my overall cleaning time significantly. In terms of power, this scrubber boasts a much stronger motor than our 7th place pick. I was able to apply a surprising amount of downward pressure without the motor stalling out, which allowed the bristles to actually penetrate the grout lines and lift away embedded dirt. The handle is sturdy and adjustable, locking firmly into place so you don't experience that flimsy, wobbling sensation that plagues so many budget-friendly extendable scrubbers on the market. Battery life is also a strong point for the Jorking. I managed to thoroughly scrub both my kitchen and 2 bathrooms on a single charge with power to spare. While the aesthetic design might feel a little bit utilitarian and less refined than some premium brands, its sheer functionality and reliable performance make it an incredibly solid middle ground choice. 4. HOTO Flexi Electric Spin Scrubber. Right out of the box, the HOTO impresses with its minimalist, sleek aesthetic. It doesn't look like a cheap piece of plastic. Instead, it features a premium matte finish and a highly ergonomic design that feels incredibly balanced in your hands. It is the kind of cleaning tool you almost don't mind leaving out on display. The standout feature that I spent the most time testing is its namesake Flexi handle design. The head can be adjusted to various angles, allowing you to seamlessly transition from scrubbing a flat floor to reaching underneath cabinet overhangs without awkwardly contorting your body. Furthermore, the entire unit is heavily waterproofed. I had no reservations about using it in a heavily saturated wet room environment, and the sealed casing provided excellent peace of mind against accidental water damage. Performance-wise, the HOTO delivers a smooth, consistent, and surprisingly quiet scrubbing experience. The motor provides high-speed rotation that effortlessly buffs away surface stains and light grime from ceramic and porcelain tiles. I tested it against some sticky juice spills that had been allowed to dry overnight, and the dense bristles powered through the mess in a matter of seconds. It strikes a beautiful balance between being gentle enough not to scratch delicate surfaces while remaining aggressive enough to get the job done. The charging experience is equally modern, utilizing a convenient USB-C port that charges the high-capacity battery relatively quickly. While it is still a traditional spin scrubber, meaning you still have to manually wipe or mop up the dirty water it leaves behind, the HOTO Flexi elevates the category to its highest potential. 3. Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL. Up until now, we've been looking at devices that simply agitate dirt, but the Shark fundamentally changes the game by combining scrubbing with powerful vacuuming. During my testing, the sheer convenience of not having to sweep before I scrubbed was an absolute revelation. This machine sucks up dry debris, applies a cleaning solution, and scrubs the floor simultaneously. One of the most impressive aspects of the HydroVac is its antimicrobial brush roll. As I ran the machine over my heavily trafficked kitchen tiles, the brush roll continuously worked alongside the suction to lift sticky messes and dirty water right off the floor, leaving the tiles virtually dry behind it. Instead of just pushing a puddle of dirty water around, the Shark extracts it entirely into a separate dirty water tank. The floor felt remarkably clean to the touch, with absolutely no sticky residue left behind. Maneuverability is another area where Shark has excelled. Despite being a full-sized wet/dry vacuum, the HydroVac Cordless Pro XL glides effortlessly around chair legs and tight kitchen islands. When the job is done, you simply place the unit on its charging dock and initiate the self-cleaning cycle. Watching the machine flush its own brush roll and internal tubing with fresh water saved me the gruesome task of manually washing a filthy mop head, which is a massive win in my book. The reason it earns the number 3 spot is because of how dramatically it reduces overall cleaning time. For large expanses of tile, this is an absolute lifesaver. While it may not dig into deep grout lines as aggressively as a dedicated, stiff-bristled spin scrubber, its ability to tackle everyday spills, pet hair, and general grime in one single pass makes it an indispensable tool for anyone. 2. Tineco Floor 1 S5 Cordless Smart Wet/Dry Vacuum. If you want to talk about intelligent cleaning, this machine is in a league of its own. The crown jewel of the Tineco experience is its proprietary iLoop smart sensor technology. As I pushed this vacuum across my floor, the digital display dynamically shifted colors from red to blue, visually indicating when an area was heavily soiled and when it was finally pristine. It automatically adjusts suction power and water flow based on the mess, taking all the guesswork out of the equation. A major upgrade that Tineco integrated into the S5 model is its exclusive edge cleaning brush roll design. I tested this thoroughly along the baseboards in my hallway, an area where dust and grime notoriously accumulate. Unlike older models that leave a frustrating inch-wide gap of uncleaned floor, the S5 gets right up flush against the wall. It aggressively scrubs away the dirt hidden in those hard-to-reach perimeters, providing a true edge-to-edge clean that most other wet/dry vacuums simply cannot achieve. The dual-tank system on this machine is also generously proportioned. The clean water tank and the dirty water tank are large enough that I was able to clean my entire downstairs layout without having to stop, empty, and refill the reservoirs. Watching the dirty water tank fill up with incredibly dark, murky water was both horrifying and immensely satisfying, proving just how much hidden dirt this machine was pulling out of the microscopic pores of my tile floors. Gliding the Tineco S5 across the floor feels almost frictionless. The motorized brush roll practically propels the machine forward for you. 1. Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Edge. After weeks of rigorous testing across multiple surfaces, this machine proved itself to be the ultimate, uncompromising champion for tile floors. What truly sets the OmniForce Edge apart from every other wet/dry vacuum on the market is its ability to operate as a fully dedicated dry vacuum. With a simple push of a button, it stops dispensing water entirely, allowing you to vacuum up massive piles of pet hair and dry debris with industry-leading suction before you ever introduce liquid into the mix. When you do engage the wet cleaning mode, the edge-to-edge cleaning power is nothing short of spectacular. I deliberately dropped an awful concoction of raw egg, coffee grounds, and sticky syrup onto my kitchen tiles to push this machine to its absolute limit. The CrossWave powered through the disaster in a single, effortless forward pass. The scrubbing action of a specialized brush roll dug beautifully into the shallow grout lines, while the massive suction power ensured that absolutely zero dirty water was left lingering on the tile surface. Another massive triumph for Bissell here is their tangle-free technology. In a household with multiple pets and long-haired individuals, traditional brush rolls quickly become a nightmare of tightly wound hair that requires scissors to remove. The OmniForce Edge elegantly bypassed this issue entirely during my tests, successfully funneling hair directly into the dirty tank without wrapping it around the roller. The sheer torque of the motor combined with the intelligent internal design makes maintenance an absolute breeze. Ultimately, the Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Edge earns its #1 ranking because it refuses to compromise.